Timer, begin. So you press Effect, Blur and Sharpen, and Compound Blur. Now what Compound Blur does is it takes away any focus on any section of the shot, and it focuses entirely on keeping a blur throughout the entire shot based on light that comes into the camera's focus. So as you'll see here, we have a really nice shot of a woman holding a disco ball with a spotlight shining on it. So what we're going to do is make it look like the viewer or the person watching the video is actually waking up from a sleep, or as if they were just at a very large party and they're just waking up. So we'll have maximum blur here, and then in about 5 seconds we're going to have the blur go away, and this is going to make it look like the viewer just woke up from a sleep and is really immersed. And I love that word, but the viewer is really immersed into this video, because now it looks like not only are they coming into the shot, but it looks like they're really a part of everything that's going on. So I'm going to make the blur even a little bit larger. So imagine someone is watching this clip and they just, woke up. Or you're transitioning in your video and you went from a black screen to this. And now slowly you're getting into the shot, the blur is forming, and you can immediately see what's visible in the shot. This is a really great effect. It's almost as useful as Gaussian blur or radial blur, and you should check it out for yourself. Like always, press Effect, Blur and Sharpen, and Compound Blur, and try this for yourself.